In this video, we're going to look at how to find the equation of the hyperbola when we're given its graph. To find the equation of the hyperbola, we're going to start off with the general equation of the hyperbola, which is y is equal to a divided by x minus h plus k. A represents the dilation factor of the hyperbola. This is essentially how much the hyperbola stretches from its center. H represents the vertical asymptote, and k represents the horizontal asymptote. If we look at this graph, we can see that this hyperbola has got a vertical asymptote at x is equal to 1. So this means that our h value is simply going to be h is equal to 1. The hyperbola also has a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 2. So this means that k is going to take on the value of k is equal to 2. Once we've got these values of h and k, we're simply going to sub into the original equation. So subbing in h is equal to 1 and k is equal to 2 into the above equation, we're going to get y is equal to a divided by x minus 1 plus 2. Now that we've got the values of h and k, our equation so far looks like this. Y is equal to a over x minus 1 plus 2. It's not yet complete because we still need to work out the value of a, our dilation factor. To find the value of a, we're going to make use of the point 2,4. We're going to substitute 2,4 into this equation and then solve for a. So replacing the y with the value 4 and x with the value 2, we're going to get the equation 4 is equal to a over 2 minus 1 plus 2. Now 2 minus 1 simply is equal to 1, so this will reduce to 4 is equal to a plus 2, so therefore a is equal to 2. Once we've got the value of a is equal to 2, we're just going to sub back into this equation so that our equation of the hyperbola is y is equal to 2 over x minus 1 plus 2. Thanks everyone for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. For more videos on this topic or other topics, please do check out our channel. We do release videos weekly, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. We hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.